guys, this is Jen Smiley here, expert food coach at Wake Up and Read the Labels. I'm so excited. We're gonna show you all kinds of cool tips and ways that you can travel with some food, find some better food, and feel your best once you get to your destination. You should drink a lot of water before you go on your flight or get a meal in before you get started. Here we go.
Wait, did you bring that or did you find it here?
I just found this here, popcorn with ghee.
Wow.
It's amazing. Yeah, it was next to the skinny pop was on the eye level. And then they had some other real ingredients pop, but it was all full of sunflower oil, things like that. This one is just straight up ghee, salt, popcorn.
Feeling like I'm on the highway, cause everything been going my way.
Kind of sat together, so. Here's Jen. Say hi, Jen.
I want you guys to comment below and tell us which one do you think is going to be the better snack. Here is what the flight gave us, and as you can see on the back, we're going to show you those ingredients. And then here is a bag of crackers that we brought on flight. So which one do you think is better? This or this? We brought some clean snacks in our purse. Here's some popcorn, and it only has popcorn, ghee, and salt. I have a Lar bar here that is made with just peanuts, dates, cacao butter, and sea salt. The chocolate chips do have cane sugar in them, but if you're getting just a little bit of this cane sugar in your day, you're gonna be okay. Now we have a jerky bar, and this is by one of our favorite brands, Epic. It does not have any preservatives in it. It has no sugar, no brown sugar, any of that. This is clean, so when you eat this, your body's going to use that nutrition. You're going to feel better. And I mean, look at it. Look how you can recognize all these ingredients. You can pronounce all them. Your body is going to recognize them. Whereas this one, your body is just putting off an inflammatory response, okay? It's making you tired. It's making you more hungry. This is the right choice. Here are some cocoa rolls. And this is made with just coconut cream, rice flour, coconut sugar, eggs, sesame seeds, and sea salt. So here's another super simple snack that you can just throw into your purse, bring it on your flight, have it when you get hungry, or maybe when you get to your destination, you're in the car and you want a snack to get you through your day. Oh my gosh, and then if you want chocolate, Thrive Market has some excellent choices, but really you have to know what you're looking for. So this is something that we provide you guys with the education of knowing exactly which ingredients you need to look for, okay? As far as the drink options go, now due to COVID, they are showing you a piece of paper that says, you know, you can have Diet Coke, regular Coke, maybe Sprite, and there was a water. I went ahead and said no thanks because I brought my own water right here. However, if you needed to choose, the water option is gonna be the best, just because we all know sodas are not good for you, right? And what happens when you drink sodas is it's making your belly bloat immediately. Then you're adding on these type of snacks to it, so you're never allowing your body to overcome this stage of fatigue and this stage of being tired and bloated. You're here to feel better, right? So if you want to feel better, that's what you got to do. We are headed out of here to enjoy our vacation, but stay tuned. We're going to show you more clean finds here at the LAX airport.
Yay!
This car is so clean.
Wow.
We rented this car and it is very, very clean, just like very clean food.
That's all we think about. Clean foods, clean cars.
Do y'all want your seat warmers on?
No.
Yeah.
You do, Sam? Guys, we're back here in LAX's airport. It is the morning. We have some time set out for us before we have to board our flight. So I'm going to show you some options that you could grab while you're in here. If you're hungry or if you need a snack, if you've had a long vacation, maybe your vacation is just beginning, we're going to show you cleaner finds in the airport. Now we're going to move on and check out one of these little airport stops to see what kind of snacks they have. Right here, you guys, these are the most popular brands. They're in the middle of the store. This is what kids are gravitating to. So make sure that you really check out all the options of the store you're at, because if you just come around here, around the corner, right over here on the wall, this is where most people aren't looking, but there are cleaner options over here. So over here, unfortunately, there is no clean snacks. And then you come over here, there's tons of dried fruit and trail mixes. So I would just read it and see what's in there. It's looking like this is just apples. So this would be a great choice to bring on your flight. And then let's check out this fruit and nut mix right here. It does have a preservative and some sugar and some sunflower oil. So this obviously is not clean, right? This is more clean than this, but this is cleaner than that. Does that make sense? They're all stages. 1, 2, 3. And then,
That persimmon is good.
yeah, let's check out these, just strawberries and bananas. Wow, top choice, winner. Strawberries and bananas. So let's put it back where we found it. Just persimmons. Just persimmons. So this is looking like a clean brand, you guys. Just corn, just freeze-dried corn. Who eats freeze-dried corn? That's whatever. Beggars can't be choosers.
There's some That's It bars.
Yep. Where's that? Oh yeah, this brand is awesome. Let me show you guys. It's literally one apple, one pear, right? So you see apples, pears, okay? Whereas the Kind bar, let's check out the almond and coconut. This bar has, the ingredients are hard to find, first of all. I don't even see, oh, here we go. It's got almonds, coconut, honey, glucose syrup, rice flour, soy lecithin, and some more sugar. So this is not made with good ingredients. This is. So if you have a choice, you want that one. Let's check out this. Oh, bad canola oil. We know these Quest bars, these are junk. The Nature Valley, these are junk. The Power Crunch, these are junk. It's looking like they might have some good options over here. A wake up shot, wake me up shot, kind of like wake up and read the labels. So this is just ginger, lemon, and cayenne. That means I bet all this stuff, turmeric, carrot, pineapple, lemon, ginger. Okay, is it cold pressed? Yep, cold pressed. That means all the nutrients are still in there. It's very good. So all the juices look like they're good as long as you're not finding any sugars. Wow, look at that, water and lemon. It's pretty cool. So this is a clean option. Can't believe we found it at a pizza place, but we did. Okay, we are all done in the airport. We've landed back home. We're excited to be here. Some tips to take away is make sure you bring some snacks with you. Make sure you eat a clean meal before you get on your flight. You definitely want to have water while you're in the air, before and after, to stay hydrated. Subscribe to our feed. Is it our feed?
The channel.
You're right, okay. Subscribe to the channel to get more notifications when we release new videos. Comment below on things you've learned and also places you would like us to go visit next. We'll see you soon.